Good morning, students. I am Seema Rajput from Electrical Department, SIRT Bhopal. I will teach you the subject Control System and its code is EX405. Today, we will discuss the basics of control system. In basics of control system, firstly, we will discuss the system. What is system? Okay, so system is a meaningful interconnection of physical devices and components. Now in the control system language, we have to we have to say that a system is a combination or an arrangement of different physical components act which act together as an entire unit to achieve certain objectives. Okay, and for example, classroom and lamp, and many examples here that represent a system. And next is control system. So control system is to command uh, regulate or direct the system or any system. To control means to regulate, to direct, or to command. Hence, a control system is an arrangement of different physical elements connected in such a manner so as to regulate, direct, or command itself or some other systems. That is known as control system. Now, classification of control system. So, in classification, there is 10 types of control system. Firstly, natural control system. Second one is man-made control system. Third one is combinational control system. Fourth one is time varying and time invariant control system. Fifth one is linear and non-linear control system. Sixth is continuous and discrete time control system. Seventh one is deterministic and stochastic control system. Eighth one is lumped parameter and distributed parameter control system. Ninth one is single input, single output and multiple input and multiple output control system. And 10th one is open loop and closed loop control system. So, we will start the first classification, that is natural control system. So the biological system means system inside human being are natural type of control system. Okay, that is a best example of natural control system because that body is made by the god, and that whole structure is given by the god. So we cannot change that natural control system. Okay, so that is a natural control system is a biological system or human body. Okay, next one is man-made control system. So for example, an automobile system with gears, accelerator, braking system is a good example of man-made control system. For another example is machine. In machine, transformer, variac, that all are made by the person. Okay, so that is a man-made control system. And third one is combinational control system. Combinational control system is one having combination of natural and man-made control system, and they both control systems are work together is known as combinational control system. For example, driver driving a vehicle, that is a most important or that is a very good example of combinational control system. Okay, and next one is time varying and time invariant control system. So time varying control system are those in which parameters of the system are varying with time. It is not dependent on whether input or output are function of time or not. Okay, that is depends on parameters of the function, parameters of the system. If even though the inputs and outputs are function of time, but the parameters of systems are independent of time, which are not varying with time and are constant, then systems said to be time invariant system. Okay, uh, you all are seen that example or seen that diagram, है ना? First is time invariant systems diagram and second one is time invariant system, है ना? Means parameters of systems are constant and not function of time, and another one is parameters of systems are function of time. ठीक. Next is linear and non-linear system. A control system is said to be linear if it satisfies following properties. Okay, so principle of superposition, and principle of superposition is work in additivity property and homogeneity property. And second one is the differential equations describing the system is linear having its coefficients are constant, and practically the input, that is response, varies linearly with time, that is forcing function for linear system. And next one is sixth one is continuous and discrete time control system. In a continuous time control system, all system variables are the functions of time, that is variable t. And the discrete time systems, one or more systems variables are known only at certain discrete intervals of time, that is known as discrete time control system. Now next one is deterministic and stochastic control system. So a control system is said to be deterministic when its response to input as well as behavior of external disturbances is predictable and repeatable. If we determine the output of the system, so the system is deterministic, and we can't be determine the system output, so the system is stochastic control system. And next one is lumped parameter and distributed parameters. Means those control system which are work together, means which are described by ordinary differential equations, is called a lumped parameter. And such systems that are defined by the partial differential equation or that work in distributed form, that known as distributed parameters. Okay, now single input single output and multiple input multiple output control system. So a system having only one input and one output is called single input single output system, and multiple input and multiple output systems, that systems are called multiple input and multiple output control system. Okay, and last one is open loop and closed loop control system, and that is most important control system. And in open loop and closed loop control system is a basic of the control system, and that is used the whole, that systems are used in whole control system subject. Okay, now that are the classifications of control system. Tomorrow we will discuss the open loop and closed loop control system. Okay, that is clear to all? Okay, thank you all, and tomorrow we will discuss the open loop and closed loop control system. Thank you.